Okay, so this is our Barbie dream camper. This thing is so cool, so elaborate, so many pieces. It comes fully furnished. This part pops up and there's, okay, so this, whoop, my daughter would better probably describe everything. This part pops up and there's a bed here that you can furnish and a little area here. You've got a barbecue, it even has a little potty. It has a fire pit. This can actually come out, so you can play with it separately. And then there's a little seating area here. I mean, they even have seat belts, so it's just wild. This hooks back onto there. The other side opens too. Oh, hi, buddy. So you can play on both sides of it. It comes with a pool. This side opens, and I think there's a shower in here. I mean, it's everything. So my daughter loved, yeah, look at this whole bathroom. The little shower curtain, so cute. Toothbrushes and everything in there. Adorable. Yeah, my daughter loved this. I guess the toilet should go in there. Played with it for a very long time. Well worth the price. It has a pool that sits out here too. Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10 hours of entertainment for both boys and girls. And then there's all the little food pieces that came with it. So yeah, definitely recommend Barbie Dream Camper.